Have you ever seen a baby struggle with diaper rash? It can break your heart. This common issue affects millions of babies each year. Today, we'll explore the future of diaper rash treatments. Diaper rash occurs when a baby's skin becomes irritated. It can happen from prolonged exposure to moisture or friction. Recognizing this early is essential for relief. First, let's look at the causes. Diaper rash can arise from wetness, irritation, or allergies. The skin's natural barrier gets compromised. Next, treatments must focus on restoring that barrier. Traditional treatments often focus on creams. But new solutions are emerging. Research reveals innovative ingredients that promote healing. One exciting development is the use of probiotics. They help balance skin's natural bacteria. Why is this important? A balanced skin microbiome can enhance healing. Another breakthrough involves advanced materials. Some diapers now include moisture-wicking fabrics. These reduce irritation by keeping skin dry. Imagine how much comfort that brings. Let's talk about plant-based options. Natural ingredients like coconut oil and calendula show promise. These can soothe and heal sensitive skin. We cannot ignore education. Parents need to know proper diapering techniques. Regular changes and breathable fabrics are essential. A little awareness goes a long way. Now, let's consider a scenario. A parent discovers a rash on their baby. Instead of panicking, they check for moisture retention. They change to a breathable diaper and apply a soothing cream. Within a few days, the rash heals. This highlights the importance of proactive care. With better treatments, diaper rash doesn't have to be a nightmare. In summary, the future of diaper rash treatments is bright. From probiotics to advanced materials, innovation is key. If you're a parent, stay informed. Explore new products and techniques. Your baby's comfort matters. For more tips, subscribe to our channel for updates. Together, we can make diaper rash a thing of the past.